How are you guys? How are you today? My name is Rente Cristo. Welcome to my YouTube channel, OFW Success Bayani. So our topic today is a current transformer testing and commissioning. So what is all about? So first we need to know what is the objective, test equipment required, and test procedures and applicable standards that we are utilizing. All right? Shall we start? The objective to confirm the physical condition and electrical characteristic of current transformer installed in the installation. Ensure the CT is connected to the system properly in all respect primary and secondary. So this is all the example guys, as you can see all the CT, the current transformer example you can see in the view. So they have different CT it's showing in your screen. Okay, so what is the test equipment required? So we need to do the testing for insulation testing tester, polarity tester, digital low ohmmeter, current source multimeter, variac step up transformer to 0 to dash 2 kV, primary current injection set. So test procedures. We need to check the mechanical check and visual inspection. First, verify nameplate ratings are in accordance with the approved drawings and specifications. Inspect for physical damage, defects, and mechanical condition. Verify correct connections of transformer with system requirements. Verify that adequate clearances between primary and secondary circuit wiring. Verify tightness of accessible voltage electrical connections by calibrated torque wrench method. Next, verify that all required grounding and shorting connections provided. Next, verify all shorting blocks are in correct position, neither grounding or open as required. Last, verify single point grounding of earth core done properly. Grounding points shall be nearer to the CT location. However, grounding shall be at relay point in case of several CT secondaries connected together like differential protection. For the insulation resistant testing, so the voltage shall be applied between primary to secondary plus ground covered during switchgear test. So number 2, secondary to primary plus ground. And number 3, secondary core to core. So test voltage limit, and that should be considered the ambient temperature shall be noted during your testing. Okay? You can see the polarity. You can see the photos in your screen. So polarity test is to confirm the polarity marking on the CT, primary and secondary, and verify its matching with the drawing. So how to connect the secondaries to make the protections like directional, differentials, and metering function. So as you can see there as in the drawing, isolate CT secondary from the load and make circuit connection. Okay, close and open battery switch connected in the primary. Observe the pointer is moving plus BE directions while closing and the negative VE directions while opening for current polarity. So how about the secondary? So the secondary resistance test is to verify the CT secondary winding resistance with specified one and no discontinuity in the winding. You can see the photos. Low resistance ensure load is connected properly and circuit not left open. The circuit connection for the secondary resistance measure the DC resistance value and record. Okay, the same shall be done for all taps and cores. These values are influenced by temperature. So ambient temperature must be recorded during this test. The circuit connection shall be made for a low resistance. Measure DC resistance including CT and load. face by face, values can be compared between them. Okay? Now let's proceed the magnetization curve test. This is optional testing. As you can see the photo. So magnetization curve test is confirm the characteristic of city with nameplate specification. So this test shall be conducted before ratio test and after secondary resistance and polarity test. Since residual magnetism left in the core due to DC test, polarity resistance, which leads additional error in ratio test. The meter is used for this test shall be having true RMS measurement. So you can see the circuit connection in your photo. So you can see the magnetization test it's showing is there. Okay. Then how about the primary injection test? This test is to ensure that CT circuits are properly connected with respected cores. There is no mix-up in the circuit. This is a phase identification. So the circuit connection shall be made, as you can see in the photos in your screen, single point grounding shall be verified for CT circuits before starting this test. So inject 25% of rated primary circuit between one phase and earth with all connected burden. Measure secondary current at all points of CT circuit. It shall be done for other phases as well. So you can see the core identification when one CT is having several cores used for different purposes. The cores can be identified during primary injection test during short core CT terminal. So uncheck there is no current, only if relevant load. The same can be verified for other cores. Inject 25% of rated primary current between phase to phase with all connected burden. Measure secondary current at all points of CT circuits. It shall be done for other phases as well. So now you know how to inject primary. So this is our applicable standards. IEC 644, IEC 66694, and that's all guys. Thank you for your watching and enjoy, and please like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.